BioStar 2, a web-based biometric security platform, extends beyond the boundaries of a single system and evolves into a platform that will serve as a basis for a number of different security software solutions. It is an open platform that provides easy integration with other systems such as video surveillance, time attendance, or building management through extension framework or web APIs. Today, I would like to demonstrate the superior usability of BioStar 2 and show how easy and simple it is to exploit the benefits of the platform. BioStar 2 supports simple installation that will complete with few clicks. The installation doesn't require additional setup of web and database server on the installed computer. Now I'll go ahead and install BioStar 2 on this computer to show you how easy and simple it is. Now that the installation has completed, I will access BioStar 2 on this computer to show that it has installed successfully. BioStar 2, being a web-based system, you can access through a web browser that is not restricted by device or operating system. Also, as a benefit of a web-based system, client software installation is not required and gives user true access freedom. And now, to show its freedom, we'll access BioStar 2 using this Android tablet. In case you're worried about security with all the freedom you have gained, BioStar 2 have been designed with security in mind and support HTTPS connection that can be selected in settings. I will now go ahead and change the setup to suit a secure HTTPS protocol. Once the protocol is selected, all sensitive data that are being transferred between the server and the client are protected. One of the difficulties with distributed access control system faces is searching and adding devices to the system. BioStar 2 supports server mode by default that allows the device to be automatically detected by the server. All you have to do is set the devices in server mode and wait for the system to detect them. Once you see the devices that are in standby, you can add them to the system individually or add multiple devices at once. After the terminal are added to the system will now have to transfer the user data onto the terminals. Right now, the terminal has no data and will not authenticate myself, and I will demonstrate. Enrolling user data into the system is a single screen process that is intuitive with a newly refreshed interface on BioStar 2. Once the user is successfully registered, you can manually select terminals for data transfer, or by default, the system supports automatic synchronization feature that will automatically update database in the devices whenever changes are made to the user on the server. Without hassle, the data is transferred and is ready to use. Now I will go ahead and register myself onto the BioStar 2 server. Once the fingerprint has been scanned, we'll click Apply to take changes in effect. Now that you can see that I've been registered, now we'll go ahead and test automatic synchronization feature by trying it on different devices. You have seen firsthand how easy and simple it is to install and use BioStar 2. The system was installed with a single click and without requiring installation of any additional client software. We were able to access the system without restriction from operating system or device. The new automatic features simplify the process of registering device and users, and any changes are automatically synchronized.